What happens when a man escapes a maximum security prison and finds a new life in the most unexpected place on earth? Shantaram by Gregory David Roberts is a powerful story of crime, redemption, and the chaotic beauty of Mumbai. Lindsay Lynn Ford, an Australian convict on the run, escapes to India with a fake passport. Lost in a foreign land, he meets Prabhakar, a cheerful local who guides him through the heartbeat of Mumbai, the crowded streets, the slums, the chaos, the warmth. With no money and no home, Lynn ends up living in the slums with Prabhakar's family. Instead of judgment, he finds acceptance. Here, he opens a free medical clinic and becomes a healer for the poorest of the poor. But Mumbai is not just kindness. It's also crime, corruption, and underworld politics. Lynn is drawn into the city's darker side, forging passports, working for the mafia, and navigating a world where loyalty can cost your life. Along the way, he meets unforgettable characters. Carla, the mysterious woman he falls in love with, Qadir Khan, the philosophical mafia leader who becomes a father figure, and a wide mix of dreamers, hustlers, lovers, and fighters. Lynn discovers that Mumbai breaks people, but it also rebuilds them. Through violence, heartbreak, friendship, and self-discovery, Lynn searches for redemption. The people of the slum give him a new name, Shantaram, meaning man of peace. It's ironic for a former criminal, but deeply meaningful for a man learning to forgive himself. Shantaram is not just a crime story. It's a journey into humanity, full of danger, humor, wisdom, and the raw emotional life of Mumbai.